Mr. Mayor, members of the council, normally at this time I'd be proclaiming how good the Liberal Democrat Party is and how we will be abolishing council tax for local income tax and aiming to retain the whole business rate collected in Trafford for, however this reads, I will leave our party policies in abeyance and try to address the new political ball game.
Can we leave the paper for a bit?
Your fingers over the lens.
Babe.
Last year you spent 20 minutes videoing
Dad,
fireworks going boom,
boom,
boom, boom, boom, and it was rubbish.
Whoa.
Who is to blame? Stern warnings at every stage over the past decade have been given by the Liberal Democrats in Parliament. Did you see the speech?
I told you.
That's it, careful.
I just said no. I just said
Whoa.
careful. Well done.
Careful. Right, get that on the fire.
Teamwork. No. No.
Right, that's the main paper's burned.
See, ow. Go, go. Yay.
The hand stick.
Where's your dad?
I've got my own stick here, so it's called Dad stick.
This is called Lisa.
What you need to do with the paper, you need to open the paper up. Hannah, what are you doing? The paper's need opening up.
How do you wipe it on the floor?
Stupid girl.
Dad, where's that? It hurts. It looks like burning the floor. Where should I put this? It's hot. Oh, is it hot? Just use smoke.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks. Here you go. Go through it on. So.
Whoa!
Wow. Hannah!
That was a bad idea.
Stupid girl.
It's going to sit down now.
Careful with
Hannah, smell this. Smell my hair. How nice does that
nice.
smell?
Who was that?
That is nice.
Smell my hair. It smells really nice.
It does smell really nice.
When are you going to get your beer? Ah! Hey! Bit of camera shake here, guys.
It's like fly over and you fly.
Right, this isn't me camera shaking, alright? Right.
That cake is so annoying.
I know it's
Like, that's 5-week burn.
I'll get some else on the phone. Oh, Dad says. Give him isn't even getting out for it.
I think that's gonna kill someone, to be honest.
Why don't you push it that way and then push it sideways? Wait!
What, you trying to kill me?
There we go.
Wait, it needs to turn over.
No.
Does it? Does it, Hannah?
Right.
It does.
Right, there we go. Turn it off. It's gonna burn.
It's definitely gonna
There we
burn
go.
right now.
That works.
It's really cold.
Hannah, stop it. You just like push one off to the other side.
I'm really good enough one. Yeah, how is it coming? That's why.
Okay.
Oh! Hannah's come out of here.
Why you didn't have fireworks?
Oh!
Ow.
Follow me.
It's so hot. Okay. That's not doing me.
Dad, give us a warning this time. Turn up the warning.
Right back, right back. Don't walk into the apple tree, anybody.
Wait, Dad, run now.
What are you on?
There we go. Yeah.
I want to do this one.
You want to do that one, Lucy?
I want to do this one.
Whoa! Where's it slippy out?
I want to fall.
Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic!
So painful.
Eruption.
Don't be falling on me.
Bit scary that, wasn't it?
Look,
I'm
it's
so
so
scared
fell.
now.
What? Something fell on me.
It's the sun. Shimmering light. Scary.
And where's the right? Everybody, this is the shimmering light.
You're the shimmering light.
Thank you, Lucy. I wanted to see the shimmering light.
Panic! Ah!
No.
That wasn't camera shake, by the way. So what's up next?
5 cherries.
5 cherries.
Hi, cherries. Don't panic.
6
Don't
cherries.
panic.
Right, nice picture of Neil's bum there.
8 cherries.
You ready, Lee?
Ah, panic.
Ooh.
3, 4. Bet this is the last one.
9.
Oh, 5 pretty cherries. Oh. Right, whose turn is it for a pretty one? Is it Sandra's turn?
Sandra's turn. It's Sandra's turn.
I get a turn this year, do I?
Yeah. I'm having
Okay.
a care about
We're not that close to Buddha.
Aren't we? I thought you were really close.
Why are you doing somebody else's stuff?
Bar fireworks, the best fireworks ever.
We've got an energy storm here. That's
That was loads of drink.
it's an energy storm.
Retail.
Oh, right, retail. Hold on.
Three
Sorry.
turns up. Right.
Right, hold your stick.
Why?
Hold your stick there.
Hold it. Why do I have to hold it again?
Right, hang on a minute. Right. Hang on. Well,
Would be shame if someone put it on the fire.
Don't be a
that looks like your other duck there. You used to have.
You want a treat? I've got a treat.
Lucy, Lucy, can you say meteorite yet? I've got you on video going, there's a meteorite.
Meteorite.
No, what?
Put it in. Put it in, Sandra.
Right.
I'm not sure which way it goes.
Video,
Energy
video.
storm.
Meteorite.
Here's energy storm.
Stupid tall. Really tall.
That was nice.
Here he goes.
Can we tell you you're happy then?
Quite impressed by that.
It's like a giant sparkler, isn't it?
Oh, that was me. That was me.
I told you it was slippery. I didn't film that, it's okay. The big style, I nearly fell over before as well.
Oh, I thought that was a pretty box.
That's the pretty box. Some down the corner as well. Should we take the lid all the way off so we can actually see what's in the corners?
Oh, this one. What?
What have you found?
This one.
Sky shaker. Slowly.
Did anyone else see Lee fall?
Yeah, okay. Oh, you made it slippy though.
And it's very slippery. You alright, Lee?
Just about.
Lee, careful, it's very slippery.
Yeah, she can.
It's
I'm getting confused now. Am I filming or not filming?
not filming.
I think I'm filming. Right.
Right, where's the dog?
Barking.
In the sky.
I thought it was shaking.
Yeah,
Right, what's he doing?
sky shaker.
Sky shaking?
Sky shaker.
Why is he scared?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah! Seems to be pointing this way. Like that.
I want a sparkler.
Short and sweet.
I think there's only 4 slots in there.
I want a sparkler.
What you sparkly? You see,
Can I have a sparkler?
you're trying to be really cool woman and really grown up like teenager. Oh, let's make a sandcastle while you're at it.
Can we have it? No, I don't want to make a sandcastle. I want a sparkler, to be honest. I just want a sparkler now.
What you got there, Lee?
It's a unicorn.
A unicorn. Let's go unicorn.
I don't want that. You know, you started my teeth with your horse.
Really? I didn't even know that was
You replace the back.
Is that definitely it this time?
That's what I call a screamer.
Keno.
Volcano.
That sounds really
What's that in your pocket?
That was really enthusiastic, and it is called Volcano.
Why is the Wi-Fi gone?
Is it outside?
All I've got is a Wi-Fi from town.
That's great, that. Wow.
What's it called, Hannah?
Volcano.
You're not breaking my Wi-Fi here.
Lee, go and get a brick firework.
Yeah, get quick. Oh, it's not.
You gonna light the big one?
That one though.
Lee, don't slip on there.
I should have looked sideways. You look sideways.
I know.
Oh, was that it?
My turn! Wait, can we have sparkly shit?
After this one.
Why am I lighting? Why is it not lighting? Woo! What the hell have I on that? Yeah, woo!
Right, stand still. Go back there, Lee.
What?
Come on, do you know?
Why does it hate me? Yes! Oh, I'm really close to everyone here. I don't like it.
Yeah, obviously. Right, hang on.
Oh, Tex, I got a friend.
You do a heart for me, Hannah. Hang on a minute. Hang on a
I
minute.
just do a circle.
Right,
Do
go.
a
Do a heart. Go.
Just do a
And
circle.
yours, Lee. Yay.
Right, Lucy. What are
It's
you
gone
doing?
curvy, Lee.
Right, Lucy. Go.
I can't.
My
It's
bending
bent.
loop.
Yeah, Lee's is bent as well.
They're all bent.
They all bent.
Yeah.
Completely bent.
Go a bit closer together, but don't hit each other.
Look
Okay, you both on. Go. Right. Okay, go.
That's what she
Turn,
does.
go.
I can't.
That's why I'm
Okay.
spinning it with a bent part. Ow.
It's really hurt.
Look at it!
It's
It
really
looks
droopy,
depressed.
look.
I don't know how much is left.
It's yours droopy, Lee. Oh, oh, oh.
No, this is actually
I don't think what.
Right, put it in the fire, that.
Go on. How did you let hers last? That is so
I
unfair.
did my first. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
I know, but don't come and have a look at these pictures. Look,
That
see.
isn't funny.
Do you want to touch?
Make it.
Leave it in for fun. Can't light it.
I'm not lighting the fuse with it on. Come here. No thanks.
That's all it. It wasn't that funny.
Right, go back.
It really wasn't funny. Do it. Now, how to say it?
Cascade.
Cascade.
Cascade! Radiant.
Uh-huh.
Cascade. Or something. Cascade.
That's a cascade.
Cascade.
It's there.
Radiant cascade.
Yes, that's Sandra what it is.
I
Radiation.
told her.
Radiation.
Cascade.
Cascade.
Is it because I'm Australian? Yeah. Is it because I'm Australian? That's why you're itching?
Yeah.
Is it because I'm Australian?
Ow, 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 ow. How can you do this? Ow, you can see it.
Why are you holding that arm?
Why are you holding my arm? Sorry.
Ooh, it's mine. It's really cold.
Whoa! Was that it? I think I almost missed that. What was it, Lee?
I'm going to catch him with a Lee.
Oh,
Oh, that's a bit short and sweet.
well, that was nice.
What you got there, Lucy?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Colour candle, and it looks like a candle.
A colour candle looks like a candle.
It's fine. Colour candle. I'm trying to get it warmer. Fine, cute. Still That's why that was 4.
Oh, 5.
That looked like 4.
How many left in the box? The pretty box?
Oh, it's my
You don't know.
What?
You've both got one. Oh, 6 then.
Right, is it your turn now?
Yeah.
Right, let me go for Lee. Right.
My seat.
What you have to introduce it, Lee. What is it?
I've introduced it. It's called the Flying Pig.
Flying pig.
Flying pig. Right, okay.
That's it. Who's sick of it? That's it.
Oh no, we're gonna die.
Sky Shaker.
Sky shaker.
Sky shaker.
Sky shaker.
Guys, okay.
What's it? I know Sky Shaker.
God.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Sky shaker.
let's do one of the big ones.
It's called I don't know.
It's called water. Water. Water.
Dangerous again.
Give me a woo.
This is Lee's red poppy.
Five kiwis. Me! No, like
5 kiwis.
Lucy,
Fine. You didn't even know it existed.
right,
Can I have five? Can I like
Where
it?
there's a camp, I need that lighting, not
No,
using
you
lighting
don't need
for this.
it. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. You've been fine without it. See, no one even knew it
But then I can
existed.
light it.
What?
Yeah, Hannah.
I can light it.
Yeah, have it.
Yeah, Hannah.
Have it.
Hannah, go.
Mine.
Yeah. What? Oh, I've got one.
What are you doing? What are you doing? This is mine.
Wait, I can't use these.
Stop, don't touch the firework yet.
I'm turning it around. I can't do it like that.
It doesn't even light.
She's left-handed.
Ow, it's burning my hand.
Ah! It bit me, but I'm fine. It didn't really burn me. I don't know what happened.
Can I light a firework? This is a real bad lighter thing. Lucy, can I pick yours and you can light it?
Yeah.
There's only 2 left. Pick yours.
You guys
Yeah.
have a lighter.
This is another rocket.
Alright.
Are we ready?
Whoa, 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 whoa. The light in your hand, whatever you do. How do I light it?
Yeah.
Where's I've got a lighter.
Where's
Where's
it?
the lighter? Oh, your first light. Yeah! Oh god, come on.
Oh,
Lucy,
Did
run!
it touch your thumb? Do you see what I mean?
What? No, it didn't burn.
Did it touch your thumb though?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so big.
It's quite a pretty one.
It's on fire.
Can you hear music?
Yeah.
It's actually on fire.
Where's the stick, Dad? No, I've got the stick, Dad. Dad!
There, lady, there. There, it's open, there. Oh, you have the fire engine.
That's a nice one. What is that, Lee?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's pretty.
Right, so we've got 2 left now, I've got 1 rocket left. What I call that's really what I call a screamer.
It was.
That was painful.
Come on.
you say, Lee?
I mean, I might describe that as the brick one.
Oh, wait, what? Does it have two in it?
Do I get to choose now?
Does it have two in it?
Are you ready? Another one going off now?
Run! 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 You didn't run fast enough. Now it's like...
That one was better. That was way better. That was mine.
Really can't hear now.
It was really loud, isn't it?
Ears ringing. Right, we're on the last one, yeah?
Goes.
Backward. Wait, I think Lee, is that right? Oh, Lee, I wrote your name.
Happy Bonfire Night.